Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Trello Power-Up permissions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing with Trello Power-Up permissions, navigate to the Trello board where you want to use the Power-Up. Click on the Show menu option on the right side of your board. From the menu, select Power UPS. You will see a list of available Power UPS. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific Power-Up you want to add. Once you find it, click on the Add button next to the Power-Up's name. After adding, the Power-Up will appear under Enabled Power UPS. To configure permissions, look for the Settings or Configure. Click on the Settings icon to open the configuration panel. Review the permissions requested by the Power-Up. These permissions can include access to card data, board details, or member information. If you agree with the permissions, click on the Authorize button. You may be prompted to log in to your account associated with the Power-Up. Enter your login details to proceed. Once logged in, review the permissions again and confirm your authorization. After authorizing, you will be redirected back to your Trello board. The Power-Up should now be fully functional with the granted permissions. You can test it out by using its features within your board. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Power-Up support documentation for assistance. That's it for authorizing Trello Power-Up permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.